everyone. We're excited about this potential collaboration. Thank you, Kim. We appreciate you for posting it. We believe this venture will be mutually beneficial.
Looking forward to a productive discussion.
And we honored to be here and eager to explore Cyberverse.
Let's begin with the introduction. I'm Attorney Adley, ang legal counsel.
I'm Kim, head of marketing.
And I'm Andrew, sales director.
The meeting progresses with discussions about market strategies, legal considerations, and potential investment.
From an investment standpoint, the Philippine market offers significant growth opportunities. Eurotech can provide cutting-edge technology to enhance your operations.
Our marketing strategies have proven successful in diverse markets.
And we can offer advanced manufacturing techniques.
Legally, we need to ensure compliance with both local and international laws.
We prepared a detailed project proposal outlining our goals.
Our marketing team has identified key demographics for our product.
Sales production indicate a strong potential for growth.
I think we're all on the same page. This partnership has a great potential. Agreed. Let's proceed with the necessary paperwork.
I'm excited to see what we can achieve together.
We look forward to a successful partnership.
We'll draft the agreements to reflect our discussion.
Thank you all for your time. We'll be in touch soon.
We're excited to work with you.
Here's to a prosperous future.